Hey, when you're out and about enjoying yourself and you hear someone say, "May I speak to the manager?" I think what we all understand them to really be saying is, "Hey, who's in charge here?" Right? Like, who's in charge? Who makes the decisions around here? Because I have an issue that I need resolved, and I need to speak to whoever it is that makes decisions in this establishment. That's what "may I speak to the manager" means, right? Okay, so let's apply that to your life. If someone were to walk up to you at You Inc., right? Your life, and they asked, "May I speak with the manager?" Who would that be directed to? Who is in charge? Who's making the decisions in your life? Now, I know we automatically might say, "Well, me, I'm the manager of my life." But I really want you to reflect on that. I really want you to think about who or what is it that makes the majority of the decisions in my life. Is it truly me? Or is it my emotions? Do I make most of my decisions based on how I feel? Is it my past? Is it my trauma? Is it my mental health diagnosis? Is it guilt? Is it shame? Is it obligation to others over obligation to myself? May I speak to the manager? I want you to identify today, really sit with this question. Who is in charge in your life? Or what is in charge in your life? In my experience, I have found that if most people answered that question honestly, it would be their emotions. And that's okay. That's okay if that's where you are today. But I want you to be real with yourself. Who's in charge of your life? Or what is in charge of your life? And when you do that honest introspection, if you discover that it is anything other than you, then I want you to feel empowered to do something about it. All right? This is Twan, the counselor, and I had time today for your and my mental health. Light and love always. Peace.